Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to Dress, Dine, and Shine, your one-stop space where fashion, food, and life shine together. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you eat food just to fill your tummy, or do you eat food to fill your soul? Because let's be honest, sometimes we crave that cheesy, gooey comfort food when life feels heavy. Other times, we need a burst of energy on a super busy day. And then, there are those moments of love when we want a meal that's not just delicious, but romantic. That's why today we're doing something really exciting. Mood-based meals. Yes, meals designed to match your moods. Comfort food for the sad days, high-energy meals for busy days, romantic dinners for love-filled evenings, and celebration meals for those big happy moments. So, sit back, grab your favorite snack, and let's turn moods into meals. Part 1. Comfort food for sad or stressful days. Let's start with those gloomy days when the sky looks gray and your heart feels heavy. On such days, all we need is a hug in the form of food. Comfort food is not about being fancy, it's about being warm, familiar, and soothing. Dish 1. Cheesy baked mac and cheese with a twist. Talk about how this dish feels like a warm blanket. Ingredients: pasta, milk, butter, cheese, breadcrumbs, herbs. Twist: add caramelized onions or a hint of paprika for depth. While cooking, talk about how melting cheese is like melting worries. Imagine taking that first spoonful. Creamy, cheesy, soft. It's like the food whispering, "Don't worry, you'll be okay." Dish 2. Hot chocolate with marshmallows. Explain why warm drinks instantly calm nerves. Share a childhood story, could be real or generic, about drinking cocoa during rains. Add cinnamon or nutmeg for comfort. See? Comfort food doesn't just fill your stomach, it fills your heart with peace. Part 2. High-energy meals for busy days. Now, what about those crazy days when you're running late for work, juggling deadlines, or rushing between tasks? You don't need slow, heavy food. You need quick, smart, energy-packed meals that fuel your body and brain. Dish 1. Power-packed smoothie bowl. Ingredients: bananas, berries, oats, peanut butter, and chia seeds. While blending, talk about how quick meals can still be exciting. Show colorful toppings for visual appeal. This is not just a bowl. It's your morning battery charger, colorful, vibrant, and powerful. Dish 2. Quinoa and veggie stir-fry. High protein, quick cooking, energizing. Explain benefits of quinoa and veggies for stamina. One plate of this and you'll feel like a superhero zooming through the day. Part 3. Romantic dinner for love-filled evenings. Okay, now let's change the mood. Love is in the air. Imagine you're planning a cozy dinner with your partner, or even a self-love dinner for yourself. Romantic food is not just about taste, it's about ambiance, aroma, and that special touch. Dish 1. Creamy mushroom risotto. Storytelling. Risotto takes patience, just like love. The process: slowly stirring rice, adding broth, waiting, creates anticipation. Add Parmesan and white wine for richness. This dish is smooth, elegant, and oh so romantic, perfect for candlelight dinners. Dish 2. Strawberries dipped in chocolate, a classic romantic dessert. Add variations with nuts or edible glitter. Talk about how sharing food deepens love. Because nothing says romance like feeding each other chocolate-dipped strawberries. Part 4. Celebration meals for happy moments. And finally, what's life without celebrations? Whether it's a birthday, a new job, or just a random Tuesday when you feel like partying, food always becomes the star of the celebration table. Dish 1. Mini party platter. Sliders, nachos, and dips. Explain how finger foods bring people together. Make a colorful platter with multiple small items. Celebration food is not about one big dish. It's about variety, laughter, and sharing bites with everyone. Dish 2. Celebration cake. Simple, fun, DIY deco. Bake a simple sponge, decorate with whipped cream and fruits. Talk about how cutting a cake makes everyone feel like a child again. Because no celebration is complete without cake. Fluffy, creamy, and joyful. So, my shining stars, today we saw how food is not just something we eat. It's something that speaks to our moods. When you're sad, comfort food hugs you. When you're busy, high-energy meals fuel you. When you're in love, romantic food makes the moment magical. And when you're celebrating, food becomes a reason to smile together. So next time your mood changes, don't just ask, "What should I eat?" Instead, ask, "What does my mood need today?" That's the secret of turning meals into experiences. If you enjoyed today's episode of Mood-Based Meals, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Dress, Dine, and Shine, and share this video with someone who needs a plateful of happiness today. Pleasure and my style, and Anna Cookuppa would be like slicing pizza with a scissors.